Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! Guys, mag-a-unboxing tayo ngayon ng inpods. Earphone to siya guys. Binili ng amo namin. Actually, nagpapabili ako nito sa kanya. Sabi ko para sa iPhone kong mobile. So sabi niya, bibilhan niya daw ako. Sabi ko, ibigyan na lang kita ng pera. Sabi niya, no need. Sabi niya. So, she bought for us. Not only me, us, three of us. There's 3 color. She called me and she asked me what color I choose. There's white, black, and this one navy blue. So I choose the navy blue because my mobile is colored navy blue. But actually my choice, I told her if there is rose gold, I want rose gold because of my iPhone, because I want to buy this one for my iPhone. My iPhone is rose gold. The color is rose gold. See? Yeah. But she said there's no rose gold. So she bought only 3 color and she want me to choose. But actually rose gold is nice, right? See. My iPhone is the gold, rose gold. Yeah, this one, my iPhone. That's why I want to buy this one. So now we have to unbox it. Yeah. Tingnan natin guys. Yan na siya guys. Hindi siya, ayan siya. True wireless stereo inpods. So I have to open it. Yan, so guys. I like the color. It suits for black, for man or woman. Yes. So the color is, we have here inside this one. Okay, this, I have to open it. Yeah, okay, this one. So it's worked. There's a light over here. Yeah, this for the, and the other one. Yeah, cute, right? Tapos pag china-charge natin siya, china-charge natin siya, wait lang guys ha. Yan, balik natin siya. Ayan, built-in charger po yan. Kasama po sa box, meron po dito manual. Let's see. Yeah. Have here manual. All the instruction is, you can read it here. And another one. The charger is charger cord. Yeah, same like in my iPhone charger. Right? Same. So, if you want to charge like this, only the cord is provided. No hub adapter. So, no worries. I have my own adapter from my iPhone mobile. Like this. If you want to charge like this. Wait. Why it's not fit? Yeah, wait. I have to put it in my, yeah, like this. Yeah, mag-charge siya ganito. So, and there's the instruction here written in English and Arabic. So I don't understand Arabic. I have to read it in English like this. Yay. Yeah. So, yes. Okay na po. Makakapag-music na tayo even without taking our phone in our pocket, not to worry to fall down. Just this one, and you leave your phone in the table or anywhere as long as it's connected in this earphone. And yeah, this is good. Yala guys, this is it for today. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, madam, for bringing me this, or bringing us this one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. See you on my next vlog. Mwah.